Hello guys, today we are making barbecue chicken wings glazed with honey. The honey sweetness combined with barbecue sauce brings a tangy, tasty flavor. Hey, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe, it helps me a lot. First things first, add cleaned chicken wings to a large mixer bowl. For marination, add chili powder, crushed ginger garlic, salt, and some crushed pepper. Mix the marinade paste very well and set aside. Let it sit for 20 minutes. In another bowl, we will mix the dry ingredients. For that, we need some all-purpose flour, corn flour, salt, mixed herbs, paprika powder, chili powder, garlic, onion, and pepper powder. Please let us know your feedback on how we can better the videos in the comments section. That's all there is for the dry ingredients mix. The measurement units of all the ingredients are mentioned below in the description. Combine them well. Dip chicken pieces in the dry mix. Coat the powder well, make sure to shake off excess dust, and separate it in another bowl. This is done to avoid formation of clumps that can lead to non-uniformity while frying. Keep a pan on high heat. Add vegetable oil and let the oil heat up. We can start frying the pieces now. The sizzling sound is so satisfying. Once the pieces turn golden brown, separate it from the oil. Let's make the honey glaze. Take a fresh pan and keep it on low flame. Add some barbecue sauce, honey, and red chili sauce. Mix them really well and turn off the flame. Add the fried chicken pieces well and coat them properly with the sauce. The smell feels so irresistible. The delicious barbecue honey glazed chicken is now ready to be served. The dish is best served hot without any sides. It's going to be a great party snack. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.